This is the loudest mystery sound ever recorded, and no one knows where it came from. In 1997, a strange underwater noise called the bloop was detected deep in the Pacific Ocean. So powerful it was heard over 5,000 kilometers away. Scientists confirmed it wasn't a whale or any known sea creature. Nothing alive can produce a sound that loud. Some believe it was a signal from a giant unknown creature. Others think it came from something hidden deep beneath the ocean. But here's the creepy part. The sound was heard only once and never again. So what do you think created the bloop? Comment and subscribe now.